Hello everyone, my name is Anna Sharma and I'm back with a new topic, dictionaries in Python. So let's get started. First we'll give the heading, dictionary in Python. Okay, give this as a heading. Now first we will see how to create a dictionary. Creating a dictionary heading, okay, and run. Now to create a dictionary we will make a variable a and we use, okay, just a minute. We'll make a variable a and we use the curly brackets to represent the dictionary. Enter, and then the dictionary contains a key value and a value stored in that key. Okay, so the key name may be name. Okay, and then I have the name, we will enter Ahana, and then we have the key as age, we will enter 11, and then we have a key as maybe color. So I have the key over here, black. Okay, so now if okay, just a minute, I have to put commas over here. If I execute, our dictionary is made. Now, if you want to know, we'll print A, so we will get our dictionary. Now, if you want to know what's in a specific item or specific key, so we will just print A and then use the square brackets and then write the key name, maybe name. So we have in the key name Ahana, the value. Now, if we want to know what's in the key age, we'll get 11. Okay. Now there is one more way to know. First, we will write A and use the dot get method. So we will write A dot get and then the round brackets, the parenthesis, and then write maybe color. So we'll get over here black. Okay. Now we will see if it allows duplicates or not. Okay, so now we will give the heading as duplicates and run. So I will just copy the same dictionary and paste it here. Just write the name h, the variable name, and I will make another key for age. Maybe I have just 12, and then I over here I have, okay, just a minute. This was 11 and this should be then I have entered 12 over here. I have two age keys with the value 11 and 12. Now if I execute, okay, just a minute. Yes, now I have created this dictionary. Now if I write print h, so I'll get name Ahana, age 12, and then color black. So over here, age I have written 12 and then color black and then age 12. So this proves that it do not allow duplicates because it makes a confusion that which one do I want. So it always prints the latest one that I have written. So I have written the latest one as age 12. Okay, or if I just over here and I paste it, and then over here I will write the age as 11. So now, okay, just a minute. And then if I execute this, I'll get the age 11. Okay. So now, let's see how to find the length of the dictionary. Okay. Let's give the heading and run. Now we have already learned about the length function, the length keyword. So let's use that to find the length of our dictionary. We'll just copy this dictionary and paste it here, and then just change like 1 and 11. Okay, and now I'll give this as R, and now I'll give something else over here also, maybe year, YAR. Okay, now we'll give 2013. Okay, so we'll create this dictionary, and now we'll print R, and then we want to print the length. We want to know the length, so print len R. If we execute, we'll get 4. We have printed R, and now we'll get length 4. So the length in the dictionary means the key and the value pair. So name and the value ahana will be one pair. So age and 11 will be one pair, color black will be one pair, and year and 2013 will be one pair. So total are 4. So length of the dictionary is 4. Now nesting of uh, nesting in dictionary. So we have learned nesting in the tuples. Now we will learn how to do nesting in dictionary. So if I will paste this same dictionary over here and give the keyword YEAR. Okay, so we have created this dictionary. No. Okay, now over here, maybe we will make a variable year, and then we will use give the value in the year, and then we will give the value as a list. So we will give 2000. No, this not 2013, comma 2014, comma 2015, like this, and one more with a tuple. So like I have date name, and then I will give it as this 12 or 7 to 12. Then I have 9 and 26, like this. Now if I execute this, okay, over here I have to give, yes, I've created this dictionary now. Now if I print H, and I want to know if it's dictionary or it's not, so I'll write type and H. So yes, it's dictionary, and we have got our list also and tuple also in the dictionary. Okay, so over here now we will do the dict constructor. Okay, let's give this as a heading. Run. Now give A, like, and write dic keyword and then give name is equals to Ahana, and then age is equals to 11. This will be 11, and maybe date is equals to 7. Now enter, print A, and we want to print the type of type A. So over here we have got our dictionary, and over here the class is dict. So now we will learn how to change items. So changing a key value, we can say changing a key value, and okay, and run. So first we'll make our dictionary. This is our dictionary. Okay, maybe over here 11. Okay, over here. So if you want to change a key value, so suppose I want to change, this is 13. Suppose I want to change, first I want to print the H, and then I want to change the age. So I will write H, then I will write over here age, and then is equals to now I want it to be 11, and then print H. Now over here I've got my age 11. It was over here 13. Now over here it's 11. Today we have learned about how to create a dictionary, do it allow duplicates or not, length of the dictionary, nesting in dictionary constructor, about the dictionary constructor, and changing a key value. Okay, so thank you. Let me get new topics for you.